Oops. Hello.
Hi.
This is me and Jenny, and it's Bonfire Night. It is. No, I don't want a TikTok. My breath doesn't smell. Anyway, today is Tuesday, the 31st of, is it October? No, it's November.
5th of November.
5th of November.
Look at motorbike.
What the hell did I say? It's like pitch black now. It's like half past 5 and really cold. Ah, car! I'm not a patient man. Anyway, right now we are on the hunt for fireworks. We're right now. We have at the bottom of our road. So we will pause the video and play it when we have discovered some fireworks.
Don't pause it yet. Look at my new shoes.
No one cares about your shoes. Joking. See you in a bit then. Hello again. So we have thousands of fireworks. You can find them everywhere. Just have to have a good eye and see if you can find them easily. So we have discovered a nice viewpoint, as Jenny calls it, to find fireworks. Whew, very cold. I feel like someone in the Antarctic Ocean. Anyway, I've got my cola. Probably can't see, it's too dark. To drink. So right now, here's some fireworks. Like, yeah. Can I only notice them? It's like My Little Eye, that game. I spy with my little eye something begin with what is it, Jen?
Phone.
No, it's firework, not phone. Phone is a different spelling. Starts with P. Just Jenny.
Guess what's next to the centre?
What?
House point.
Okay.
Heinz barbecue sauce.
Okay. Not so sure about. Watch this. Keep watching. So 3, 2, 1. Woo! Anyway, this is it for Bonfire Night's video. As my phone is on low battery. Anyway, bye bye everyone. Bye bye Jenna.
Bye bye, boss.
No, bye bye everyone. Alright, bye Jenny.
Bye.
Even though you're still gonna be here, even when this video stops. Anyway, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.